okay. Oh, yeah, he is. Oh, we go.
And a little slow start here for the 10K. And that number 23 side by side. Hit there from 1601. And then Everett Owen. So Everett Owen in that R, all stop, debris. And it looks like the number 1 of Dakota Bailey is out, folded flag. So an early exit there for Dakota Bailey. So that'll leave us down to 4.
Dylan hasn't moved though.
Okay, we got her cleared. Just waiting for our officials to get into place. And we'll do a countdown from 3 on our full-size semi-stock class. And here we go. 3, 2, 1, go! The big car of the 1952 and Everett Owen. A good hit from Brown on Everett Owen. Oh, and now we're down to 1 car running. 1 car is running. Now the 10K back up and running. Problems though for the R 1952 and the number 23 of Dylan Smith. So Everett Owen, Dylan Smith, those 2 cars on the clock. The battle comes down to the 901 and the 10K. Until those flags go down, there's still 3 games.
Hold the
flag. Trying to get them re-fired. Now the officials dragging their attention to each other. Here they go. Oh, and a little problem. As Jared Brown spun right around into the center.